Hi guys! Now I'm making avocado graham. I use 3 avocado and then I smash it like this, and then I use all-purpose cream. I mix with the avocado like that. Wala po akong mixer, so I'm using my hand to mix it with a spoon. And then I add condensed and then the graham. I use, I think, 2 packs of graham. And then, ayan po, ginanyan ko po. Inisa-isa ko pong nilagyan ng ganyan, layer by layer. Nilagyan ko po siya ng graham. And then, after that, nilalagyan ko ulit ng toppings niya na yung minix ko po na avocado with condensed and all-purpose cream. Ayan po, ganyan. Hanggang po mapuno yung Tupperware na yan. Ganyan lang po kadali gumawa ng graham. And after kung mapuno, nilagay ko na yung last na ng avocado. And then, nilagay ko na yung niya, yung dinurog kong and then nilagyan ko ng design na avocado sa taas. And then yan, i-ref ko na.